Another very important data structure in Python is set. A set is an ordered collection of distinct elements. Distinct elements in the sense, even if you give duplicate elements, it will not be considered at all. Very simple. Suppose I have asked a program earlier, okay, you have a list of elements. I want to remove all duplicate elements. Duplicate elements in the sense, you should have element only one occurrence. It should not be multiple occurrence. In such cases, what you have to do? You have to check each and every element. If it is present, you have to remove that element. Already present, you have to remove that element. Present, you have to remove that element. Present, you have to remove that element. But very simple. Now, the concept is very simple. Convert a list into a set and convert back set to a list. What happens? When you convert a list which is having all the elements with duplicate elements, which multiple occurrence of the elements, you put it into a set, automatically what happens? Set will remove all the duplicate elements and convert back the set elements to, write back the set elements to list. So what happens? Duplication is taken away. Okay, that's one very good thing. And unordered. Unordered means that items are not sorted in any particular order. They are not in a particular order. Any order is not specified. Sometimes this list is either in the set or not, but there is no notation that is being used for the first, second, and last elements. So there is, even if you sort also, they will not be stored in proper order, and they are always distinct. Distinct means there is no duplicate elements. Let us take one example. And if you want to create a set, you have to create using curly braces. Curly braces. For list, square brackets. For list, it's a curly braces. Now, you are creating a list, set, and you are printing. Yes, let us see. A set is created and printed. Now, purposefully I include duplicate elements. Look at the duplicate elements I include. A, E, I, O, U, 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 A, E. Purposefully but while storing, it will not store the duplicate elements. And you just try to print. When you try to print this, what happens? It will be printed. A, I, O, E, U is printing. It's printing in a duplicate elements. See? And what is the guarantee that it is not storing? I want proof, right? So what I do, I compare the first list, that is with a distinct element with a duplicate element. List. Look at here. A, E, I, O, U, 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 A, E. I'll compare with A, E, I, O, U. I compare. So when I do the comparison, what do I get? Is it true or false? Definitely, I get true. Because this is also A, E, I, O, U, returns A, E, I, O, U. Even though there are duplicate elements, it returns A, E, I, O, U. This is also another set that holds A, E, I, O, U, and it returns true. See, very, very interesting. Even if you give duplicate elements, not taken, not considered. So that is what you call it as set. And you can create a set using another built-in function called set function. Look at here. I have a list. In the list 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 5. Some duplicate elements are there. I'll say set of LST. Set of LST and print. So what happens? It has taken only, look at here, only the elements which are distinct. Duplicate elements automatically removed. Now, you can ask me a question. Yes, very good. In the chat box, somebody is asking a question. Sir, how to convert back set element into a list? Good. Okay, very simple. LST1, I call it as LST1 is equal to, okay, list of the set. What is the set name? A. That's all. Convert back. So, and print LST1. LST1. Yes.
Sir.
Helpa.
Sir, list 1 is equals to square bracket ali A barudre. Ade agotalla, sir. List anta tagollalva. LST1 is equals to
good
square brackets, inside square brackets, we are writing
also.
A.
Let us try that also. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಚಂದ್ರು? Set is an element of a list. Set is not converted. Set A is not converted. It has become an element of list. An element of list. It is not converted. It is not converted. Nodi, ಇವಾಗ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. What is that? Set is an element of a list. Set is a collection of distinct elements. List is a collection of any number of elements, different types of elements. So, if you write within square bracket, what happens? It becomes an element of the list. That's all. It will not be converted. If you want to convert, you have to use list method only. List function, sorry. List function only, you have to convert it. Okay. So, iವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು, when I run this, automatically it is converting. This is a program to convert your duplicate list into distinct list using set. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ವೈವಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಯಾರಾದರೂ, ಆರ್ in the examination they may ask, in the internals they may ask. So you should be ready to answer. So when I represent the same thing in the memory, look at here. Yeah, it will be appearing like this. Look at here. ID1, ID2, ID3. Even if you give distinct duplicate elements are not represented at all. Okay, the class assignment is same. You have to read an ESN and check whether it is valid or not. Second point, whether it is a UG ESN or PG ESN. You have to do it. That's all for today's class. Happy Diwali in advance. Stay safe and stay healthy. Okay, celebrate festival of light with joy. May God Lakshmi, may God Saraswati, may God Ganesha give you all what you wish, what you pray for. Thank you. Put your USN in the chat box for attendance sake. CR, please note down and send the consolidated list. Thank you.